Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Lanhiem case for our iPhone 14 Pro. Of course, it's also available for the iPhone 14 Plus and the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and of course for iPhone 14 and 13. And it's available for 11, for example. But you have to choose the right case for your phone because this case is designed for especially, here in this case, the iPhone 14 Pro. It's in waterproof and incompatible with Magsafe case, a mobile phone case for the Apple iPhone 14 Pro protective case, baby. That means we have a 360 degrees protection. Everything is protected. Our camera, our LED flash, our backside, our front panel, the edges, all of the edges are protected. This is in 360 outdoor, shockproof, dustproof, armored case with camera protection and screen protector. In this case, it is black. It's also available on the market in blue, in purple, as you can see here. I have purple and black here, and black and gray. I like the purple one and of course the black one really much. It's only for the iPhone 14 Pro, not for iPhone 14, 14 Plus, 14 Pro Max and so on, because there is a precise cut and design. This allows an easy access to all ports, sensors, speakers, cameras and all other features. And it's Ip68 Waterproof. We can wear this iPhone 14 Pro for swimming, diving, taking pictures and videos underwater. We can dip our iPhone directly into the sink when we wash our hands to keep it clean. It can easily handle everyday use, outdoor sports, and of course dusty and dirty work environments. We do the water test before we use it. It's really easy. We take the case and attach or assemble the case and drop it under water in our sink. Let it there for 30 minutes. Then we let it out, dry it from the outside, and open the case again. If there's water inside, we have a leakage. But of course, it will be no water inside, so it's proof. We do the water test to test its waterproof function before we putting the case and the phone in the water. After this, we can install our smartphone, close the case, and then we can have fun with it. We have 360 degrees military protection with screen protector, camera protector, everything on board. This iPhone 14 Pro Armoured case is made of high-quality durable materials. 2 layers with 360 degrees all-round protection protects our phone from drops, dirt, snow, water and other liquids. The raised edges of the screen and the camera effectively prevent the iPhone from being scratched or damaged and provide truly comprehensive protection for it. And we have sensitive touchscreen and clear sound. The built-in screen protector protects our iPhone 14 Pro display from scratches while restoring the true touchscreen feeling. The improved sound system allows us better calls, movie and music experience. We can remove our original screen protector before we use this case here, okay? So we have to remove if we have installed a screen protector before, and then we can attach it because it is so good design that it matches to 100%. For this, the old screen protector have to be removed, and then we have strong magnetic force, and it's compatible with all Magsafe accessories. The iPhone 14 Pro designed for Magsafe case uses the strong magnetic force magnetic design. The magnetic ring is precisely docked and fixed with the phone. Charging without removing the case, no problem. The iPhone 14 Pro case supports all Magsafe accessories such as Magsafe wireless charging, magnetic car phone holder, and so on. That's all possible with this Lanhiem iPhone 14 Pro case. It's a really good case and we can use it really easy. The first step is we remove everything because there are labels on it. Then we clean our smartphone and we perform the water test. Then we clean our smartphone and then we attach it to the case. The case can flip together, and then of course we have to look that the rubber sealing is good. If the rubber sealing is good, we can push it and lock it easily by pushing around the edges. Then have a look that all rubbers are sealed, and then it's time to use it. Really easy, isn't it? Yes, of course, because it's the Lanhiem case for our iPhone 14 Pro. It's waterproof then, and it's compatible with Magsafe, and it comes with a 360 degrees full protection. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. So.